So started this day with a bag of dates, 500 grams of dates. That's around 1,450 calories, and I would just eat it, then brush and floss, and then begin my day.
So, just woke up, munching on a bag of dates. Just about to get ready to do like a two loops around the camp. Today's the 1st of September, so I like to do 20,000 steps every single day. September, and I've started the vegan camp out. So this is 20,000 steps a day, vegan camp out. Last day, ending day, leaving day. And just to remind people that when you do this, remember that the more you walk, the more adventure, the more people you're more likely to eat, to meet. The more time you spend outside, fresh air, the more you feel good, because movement stimulates the release of endorphins, which is nature's natural pain reliever. And yeah, it just makes us feel good. So make sure to have good shoes. I'd recommend good shoes. I've got the Ultra Olympus Max Cushion. Kind of look like one of your, see, like those old people shoes. The ones that are really thick, look like moon boots. But they do the job. Those are like walking on a cloud. And it would be worth it to invest in a good pair. That's all I'm saying. Yeah, that being said, I'm gonna finish the bag of dates and go out for a loop, 2 loops around the camp. Just emerge from the darkness. It's like, what's that messed up looking thing in the background? Yeah, that was my tent. Yeah. Look, don't judge a tent by its cover. It did its job. It did its job, but I think I definitely missed a few poles or something. Yeah, let's hit it. Go for a walk. Vegan camp. So the vegan camp out has been absolutely incredible, and I hope if you're watching this video and seeing me walk 20,000 steps a day, eating vegan, showing that it's possible, I hope that you do so too, to show others that it's possible to be healthy and fit, be a happy, healthy, and fit vegan, getting the steps in and representing. And I don't know how easy it would be to consistently walk, say, like 10 miles a day, or even more if you're eating a low carb diet. So we need more people representing plant-based lifestyle and health and fitness. It's just being a good example, just getting the steps in. But it's been an absolutely amazing experience coming here, and this is my second time, and the people you meet, it's just incredible. The online community, people like John Venus, Mike the Vegan, Dr. Greger. Well, I haven't seen Dr. Greger here, but Dr. Clapper, Dr. Neil Bernard, all the people you watch online, eventually will probably be here at some point, and I don't see why not. This is the largest outdoor camping vegan event in the world. So I definitely recommend coming here. This campsite is large enough to hold like 13,000 people, and I think that's the eventual goal of the organizers. So we need you. Come have fun for a weekend. So yeah, I'm just gonna keep walking, get the steps in, and show that it's possible to do so on a vegan diet. So there's a quiet camping area. But it's great. Like walking is great. You can go around and be the good cheer fairy, and to say hello, good morning, wish people nice days, and yeah, you get to pump the lymphatic system first thing in the morning. I'd love to go into more the health and wellness aspect
of things, and this is why my channel is moving towards more psychology based, just to get a deeper understanding of what's actually going on in the body and how to bring about greater sense of health and wellness. This is the yoga corner, all about the wellness, ahimsa, do no harm. So I'm on 10,000 steps right now, and it's 10 in the morning. The sun is shining so well, especially from such a cold evening. But I shall trot on, do more laps until I get 20. So I'm on around 7 miles now, and I reckon maybe one more lap, or maybe 2 more laps around here will have me at my goal. And yeah, very easy, huh? don't want to trip. But yeah, keep on moving forward, even if you trip. So when the walking activities was over, I decided to stop by and get another sushi roll, as I am obsessed with that place. Amazing. And this was the last thing I ate at the camp specifically. So the food has been finished, and we're gonna let back with Julie to the train station, and now it's gonna be a long journey back to Belfast, but it was 100% worth it for the camp out. So worth it. You know, I had to stop by an all-you-can-eat Chinese buffet, and I was like, can you just cook me some vegetables without oil? And they kindly did so, as most all-you-can-eat Chinese buffets would do. So I just had multiple plates of rice, steamed veggies, and sweet chili sauce. It's an unbeatable combo. You just can't beat it. It's very simple, and you can get it anywhere. And but that wasn't over, because I was still hungry. So on the ship, I got this meal: potatoes, marafa peas, beans. It was gorgeous, and that was it, guys. This was the conclusion. This is the bus journey back to Belfast. And yes, thank you all for watching. It has been an amazing experience, and hopefully see you there in 2020. If you like this content, please consider subscribing, liking, and sharing the video. Any support will be of great value, and I am out.